In this video, we will learn how to add animation in a text in Canva. Suppose I'm going to add on the text. So we are going to add animation on the text. Okay. Now we will hit on the text section here, and then click on the animate. And at the left part, you can see here suggested typewriter animation, ascent, shift, and there are so many animation here that you can use here, and you can control the speed here, animation speed, but it is in pro version. In free version you can't control the speed, and you can use the character, word, line animation, and you can change the direction, that left to right or top to bottom. You can change the direction here, and in every animation you can select the direction here, color here, everything you can change here. So if we choose this one, so we can change the everything here, word, element, line, and we can, there are general elements here. So if you want to animate the page here, there are two options here to animate. You can animate the page, you can animate the text here. So we are going to animate the text here. Okay, but if you want to animate the total page here, we will click on the left top side page, then total page will be animated here, and we can control the speed also from there. And to animate anything in Canva, you should click on the animate button at the right top part, and then at the left top part you can see two options here, that you can animate page or text. If you click on the page and choose any animation, the total page will be animated. And if you want to select the text, and if you then select any animation, then the text will be animated. That's the video how we can add animation in text and total page. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.